First, we need to install the Chrome extension on the Chrome browser. To do this, you can install it from the link in the description, or else you can go to the Chrome Web Store. Type in Saturation Scout in the search bar. Click on the Saturation Scout extension. Now click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. You can go through the listing to see what the extension does and how it works. Once the extension is installed, go to Aliexpress and search for the product you want to check the saturation level of, or else paste in the URL of the product. In this case, we will check the saturation level of portable blender. Go to the product page. Once the product page is loaded, click on the extension icon. And once you do that, the extension will start inspecting the product and will display the saturation level of the product. As in this case, the product is saturated. You can also look for competitive stores selling the product. Click on the link to visit the store and see the product page. You get all the details of pricing, description, and all other details about the product. You can also see the recently inspected products in Recent tab. Now let us inspect one more product. Click on the extension icon and it starts inspecting. As we can see, in this case, the product is competitive. So that is how you can use this extension. It is a very important tool to find untapped winning products, and it is completely free to use.